The Gog invasion described in Ezekiel 38 to 39 most plausibly occurs before the visible second coming of Christ and prior to the millennial temple scene, placing it either before the rapture or in the interlude immediately after the rapture and before Christ's public return. The siege presupposes a gathered Israel and a public, lengthy aftermath, 7 months of burial and 7 years of burning, which argues for a significant season of national reckoning rather than a last-minute skirmish. Theologically, the event shows God permitting the assault to occur so that his intervention becomes undeniable. Strategically, it unmasks false security and compels Israel to purify the land. Practically, the timing matters because it determines the form of the church's witness. After Gog and his northern coalition invade Israel, God responds with overwhelming judgment, earthquakes, fire, hail, and confusion among the attackers. The invading armies are destroyed not by Israel's military, but by divine intervention. The aftermath is dramatic and prolonged.